Hey, I'm Jeff from Best Buy. This is my son Jack. Today on Best Buy's Tech Demos, we're going to be taking a look at the TytoCare TytoHome Remote Exam Kit. And it's on Best Buy's Tech Demos. Let's take a look. So this device is meant to create that visit that you have inside of your physician's doctor's office without having to have an appointment. So you can connect virtually with a physician. It has the instruments used that are typically used in a setting, such as your doctor's office, for them to get the readings and the data they need. So the device comes with some instruments that are needed in order to get some readings off to your physician. So there's a stethoscope. This is used for reading your lungs, your heart, and your abdomen.
And this is for your tongue.
Yep, and this is for the tongue. So this is a tongue depressor to help with the camera with the light to be able to see inside the throat.
And this is for your ear, to look at your ear.
Yep, and this is the otoscope. And it has caps that fit on for a child and adult, which is fantastic. And we'll set that aside for now. So the TytoCare Home Kit, first thing you gotta do is pair it with your phone. So there is an app to download, so download the application, and then you're gonna connect it to your Wi-Fi or hotspot on the phone. This took me a little bit. You gotta remember your Wi-Fi password or get your phone to sync with it. So take the time to make sure you set everything up before you get going. What you're gonna wanna do is turn on the device. There's a button right on the top. And then you're gonna sync it with your phone. It does come with a little handy stand for it, which is perfect for when you're actually connecting with your physician, or if you're needing something to set it on while you're dealing with your little guy. So pair to your device, you can choose hotspot or Wi-Fi. So you want to turn your hotspot on, enter your password, and then you scan the QR code to pair the device. All right, now we're connected in the app. All right, so select your patient so you can set up your family, anyone in your home, your child, yourself, and whoever else. So there's option to see a clinician, online, or practice. So right now, since we're not visiting the teledoc right now, we're gonna do a practice mode. All right, so it says start an exam. So the first thing that we're gonna test out is the temperature. So you can hit the start button right on your mobile device, and it will instruct you on the device as well of what to do. So we're gonna hit start. All right, look at that, all done. Next up we can do our lungs. Yep, right, the picture showed you that. Okay, so then we have the stethoscope. So let's attach that in. It has a blue dot right at the top. Connect that in. And it needs it quiet, so we're gonna stay really quiet. So we're gonna remove the stethoscope.
And put the tongue on there.
And put the tongue depressor on. Some people may not need the tongue depressor. It's easier sometimes, but for little ones or anyone else that might have a tongue that gets in the way, it's easier to see in the back. So it has a light on it, and then you can hit record right away. Open it up and say ah.
Ah.
Say ah.
Ah.
Green checkbox shows up, so it tells you got a good reading. Pretty neat. So once you capture all this data, the physician will use that to come up with a treatment plan, a diagnosis, even send in something to your local pharmacy. Thanks for joining me on today's tech demos. This is the TytoCare TytoHome Remote Exam Kit. I had fun today. Jack, did you have fun? All right, we'll see you next time.